Hello, and welcome back to Business Sense. In our introductory video, we gave you a high-level overview of what a business owner needs to be ready for going into a meeting with their business or commercial banker. Today, we are going to dive a little deeper into the formula that bankers need to abide by and you need to speak to so that you have the best chance at success. Have you thought to yourself, I really need a loan to take things to the next level? Or did you recently get turned down? Well, today, we're diving into one of the most essential concepts in commercial lending, the 5 C's of credit. Understanding these 5 factors will not only give you an edge as a business owner looking for financing, but it will also help a banker get their client's application through the process. One thing to remember is we can never guarantee success in your loan process, but what we can do is educate you so that you are ready to speak the same language that underwriters and credit officers will judge you on. We believe here at Business Sense that there is a bank for everyone. It's just a matter of finding them and what form of lending you're willing to accept. Let's start with a quick overview of each of the 5 C's. The first C is character. This is essentially your reputation and experience, how well you've managed past debts, your integrity, and your commitment to repaying a loan. Lenders often look at your credit history, past financial relationships, and references. Remember, a strong character means a lender is more likely to trust you with their funds. Next up is cash flow. This is about your business's ability to repay the loan. Are you making sales yet? Lenders will look at cash flow, income statements, and other financials to assess whether your business can handle the debt. If you can demonstrate strong cash flow, you're in a much better position. In later episodes, we will take a deep dive into cash flow and the various components of cash flow such as EBITDA and add-backs. Capacity is all about skin in the game. It's the amount of money or assets you, as a business owner, have invested in your business. Lenders want to see that you're financially invested in the success of your business. In terms of how it is measured, it is your balance sheet strength. The scenario I like to pose is, if things went south, can you continue to pay your bills for a certain amount of time, or can you make it through a downturn? Collateral comes next. This is any asset you can pledge to secure the loan, like real estate, inventory, or equipment. Having collateral can make a lender more comfortable with the risk they're taking, and it often leads to better terms on the loan. Collateral comes in many forms, and so we will dedicate a future episode to collateral. Finally, we have conditions. This relates to the terms of the loan, such as the interest rate and length, but it also considers external factors like the state of the economy or your industry. It can also include other factors such as politics and the regulatory environment. Lenders assess these conditions to determine how risky a loan might be at any given time. Condition can be tricky because they are external factors, but here is a good tip. When you are with a banker, or you are a banker with a possible business owner with a lending opportunity, this part of your conversation can show you whether your banker has done his homework or the business owner knows all of the ins and outs of his business. So there you have it: character, cash flow, capacity, collateral, and conditions. These 5 factors are the foundation of any lending decision. If you're a business owner, framing your loan application around these C's will significantly improve your chances of success. And if you're a banker, these C's are a helpful structure to guide your conversations with clients. Thanks for tuning in to Business Sense. In our upcoming episodes, we'll take a closer look at each of the 5 C's, providing actionable tips to help you navigate the lending process. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode. And if you have a scenario you'd like us to check out or give you a second opinion, please comment below or message us directly, and we'd be glad to connect with you. See you next time.